morning everyone. So today is the day that we get the keys to our new apartment. So it's currently Friday morning, 8th of February. Pretty much just woke up. Say hey babe. But anyways, so a few weeks ago I put a poll up on Instagram asking me if you wanted to make asking you guys if you wanted me to make like a mini series of like the whole moving out experience, like the stuff I buy for the place, the vlog for when I move into the new apartment, like an apartment tour, all that kind of stuff. And literally it was probably one of my most voted polls on Instagram. And yeah, so I decided I'm going to do it. So today I'm going to vlog the whole moving out experience. We're pretty much all packed up here where we are now in Bondi. But yeah, so we've got to go to Olympic Park, go pick up the keys for the new apartment, sign the lease papers and all of that. So that's like an hour away or something. So we've got to go do that, and then we'll come back here to Bondi and start packing the truck and stuff. So yeah, don't forget, if you do like this video or these kind of videos, then definitely give me a big thumbs up. If you do enjoy watching my videos and want to stick around and join my little family here on YouTube, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you do want to be notified every single time I upload a video, then don't forget to hit that bell and it will notify you every single time I upload. We're out to breakfast at the moment.
Can I get the Mediterranean lamb wrap?
Milk cappuccino, no sugar.
Yeah, lamb wrap please.
And I think I'm just going to get the egg Benedict.
Yes, they do.
But change that to brown bread. And just bacon. Can I please have the eggs Benedict, but change the Turkish bread to brown bread? Yeah. And with bacon, ham, avocado, or something? With avocado and bacon. I think I've opened it a bit.
Heaps.
Huh?
There's heaps in there.
Yeah. It's equivalent to 2. Breakfast is served. Go away. Touching my breakfast with his chips. What did you get, mate?
I should have got that one. Looks tastes good.
What did you get, though?
Lamb wrap.
Lamb wrap? With those unhealthy chippity chips.
Fireball.
But yeah, how nice does that look? So nice. So we just went and picked up the keys to our new apartment. So basically we had to drive out to Olympic Park, and that was like an hour from where we were. And then once we did that and signed all the papers, it took like an hour. And then after that we drove back to Bondi, so we've just arrived now. And yeah, we're about to start packing the truck up with our stuff from the place in Bondi. This is our truck, please look at it. It's like fully pink, literally. How cool is that? Our removal truck is pink, too funny. But yeah, and then the front of it is green. So anyways, yeah, we're just gonna go pack it up, and then once we've done that, we've got to go past Rosebery because that's where my dad's place is, and I've got stuff that I'm holding there, a new fridge and washing machine and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna go do that, and then we've got to go to a warehouse in Alexandria to go pick up our new coffee table that we bought, and then after that we are going to our new apartment to unload everything from the truck and stuff like that. So I'm gonna bring you along, so stay tuned. Dad, watch out. Here comes our lounge. Okay, so we have literally finally arrived at Mascot. Now we're starting to offload. It's literally like 30 degrees. I'm boiling, like literally boiling. And yeah, so just grabbing a few things from my car. I do have a car spot at my new place, but it took me a while to find out where the entrance is to actually put your car. But anyways, I found it. I'm gonna move it soon. I'm gonna go back to the truck and help offload. But yeah, we finally made it to Mascot. Yeah, we finally moved in, got our lounges set, got some boxes over here, got our rug that we bought. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. I can't wait for you guys to see this. Oh, it's so nice. And yeah, more boxes. But yeah, so we finally made it in. Okay, so literally the time is, babe, what's the time? I look like a hot mess. What time? 7:52. So it's 7:52 at night, obviously. Literally been moving all day. Can I just say, I love that my new place has white walls. Like, this is gonna be great for photos. Like, just pose it there, hun, pose it, yes. I'm so G'd for photos. Like, photos are gonna be lit. Anyways, so finally got everything in the place. Took so long, like literally feeling like a hot mess. Hold on one sec. I'm gonna see. I think I've got some smudging on my camera. Is that better? That's so much better. My camera was smudged that whole time. Anyways, so we're right now building a table, our dining table. We got it from IKEA. It's so fucking nice. It's like, this is a vibe. But babe, what do you think of our new place?
Just awesome. Love it.
Love it. Like, can you see in the background our windows here? Like, literally our whole place is filled with windows. Like, I could get used to this. Like, I'm loving this. I'm so happy with our new place. Everything's literally perfect. Oh my goodness. But yeah, so we're gonna build this table that I have here in front of us. This is our dining table, so don't know how long that's gonna take. I'll give you a bit of a sneak peek. That's what it's looking like so far, and honestly, when it's done, you guys are going to be amazed. I cannot wait to show you this house tour. Like, it is so nice. Don't mind me, I'm literally looking like a hot mess. Like, seriously, I've been sweating, I feel grubby, I need to have a shower, but at the same time, we need our house to be set up. So I'm gonna continue doing all this, and I'll come back and see you guys either soon or tomorrow. Hey guys, so I just wanted to jump on here. I was actually getting up to look for Lockie's phone because I don't know what time it is, but it's got to be like 10 o'clock or something at night. I don't know, it's around 10 o'clock, but yeah. So basically we built the table, and oh my god, it looks so good. Like, it is so nice, and yeah, it's just like, I'm in love. The definition of love is that dining table. Like, it's so good. But anyways, so we built that, and then we went to build the chairs, right, for the table, obviously, because it's a 6-seater table. And we opened the box, and it had like screws and stuff like that, and then I realized we don't have a screwdriver, so we couldn't build the chairs or the entertainment unit or the bed frame. So tonight I'm literally sleeping on the mattress on the floor. And yeah, so I went and had a shower after we did the chairs. After we did the tables and stuff. I was literally just moving stuff into the place all day today. I was running around all day today, and I just felt like I was on the go. I didn't stop. It was dead set like 30 degrees. It was so freaking hot. It was like 30, 31 or something like that. I don't know, but it was hot. So I'm just buggered, and I've got a big day tomorrow. I got to start unpacking, putting stuff away, got to get more stuff out of my car. And yeah, I literally didn't wear makeup all day today. Like, I knew it was going to be a big and busy day, so I didn't even bother. All my makeup was like packed away in boxes and stuff like that. And yeah, I was just literally boiling. I was sweating. Like, oh my god, I'm so glad today's over. Now I can just relax, and then I've got another big day tomorrow. So yeah, so I kind of just wanted to come check in, let you guys know what the update was. I want to show you the table, but like, I don't want to show you the table until the house is done, because I think it will look so much better. So I think I might just wait until the house is done, and then I'll do like an apartment tour. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop here, and leave the vlog here for tonight, and I'll probably restart the vlog tomorrow because I want to vlog over, because it's Friday now, so I want to vlog over Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and then I'll put it all into one video and combine it, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so I just wanted to check in, let you guys know what the go was, and yeah, so I'll speak to you all tomorrow. Morning, sunshine.
Good morning.
Say good morning, honey.
Good morning.
So this morning we just went and got some breakfast, and now we're gonna go home and get ready to go. Where are we going?
Bunnings Warehouse.
Bunnings Warehouse to get some soil and our plants, because we're gonna be putting some plants on our balcony. And we're also going to, where else are we going to, honey?
I think that's it.
No, we're going to East Gardens. We're going to the shopping centre to go get some
Going to go to the Kmart.
shopping. Stop it. To go get some shopping for the place, because we've got no food in there. So right now we're just like trying to buy out, and I'm trying to be healthy, so it's kind of hard eating out and ordering healthy stuff. And then after that we're going to come home and we're getting some screwdrivers as well, because we've got to build our furniture, and then we're going to come home and basically set the place up and build. So yeah, I'll take you along with me while we do that, and you can see what we get up to today. So literally trying to find some tools in here. Like, I need some screwdrivers. So this is like a nice set for only, how much? $21.98. Thank you. But yeah, this basically would have like every single thing we need and all like the different heads on it. I think that would be a good one. Oh my god, it's really freaking heavy. Okay. Oh. Okay, yeah, where's Honey? That trolley. Oh, there he is. There he is. Trying to push the trolley with one hand. Honey, what ones do we need, did he say?
This one I have for the truck as well.
Is that the joint you just put any bits on
No,
there?
they have already built in. So you switch it around.
Yeah.
So here, look. Look. See there?
Yeah. Oh.
There's that one.
So the nails
That's the
already...
Allen key one as well.
Oh, so the nails are already built in there?
Yeah, it's really good.
Which one?
This one's 30.
Oh, that's heaps more affordable.
I think that's this one.
See this one? Oh my god, I need to put this down. Let's see this one. Does this one come with those nails? These ones here.
24 bits included yet.
Oh, $30. We may as well go with this one instead of the other one that we pulled out, the yellow Stanley one. Looks like we're going to go with this one here. So, get that one, thank you. So what are we getting? We're getting our frangipani. Yeah. And our, what are these called again? Succulents.
You want to get the big one?
No, we wanted to get the smaller ones. Oh, it's on this side, honey. That one. That one? Is that a keeper?
It's been mistreated.
It's been mistreated.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah. Lovely. So we've chosen one. How many do we need to get?
6.
Oh god. Dave's planting our plants. Look how good these ones are looking. So this is how they're looking. So those ones, those 3 at the back there are going to go in here. And then we have a bigger pot for our frangipani or plumeria trees, sorry. But yeah, how good are they looking? They actually look really good. They're coming along very, oops, nicely, what did I not? There we go. This is a face of tired, exhausted. I feel disgusting. I need to go have a shower. I've literally scrubbed the leather lounges. We've steamed the floors. I've done another vlog. I'm also filming another vlog because we went and did our shopping. We went to Bunnings and got stuff for our new plants that are going on the veranda. We've put stuff away in all the cupboards. And now we're about to build the TV unit. So this is a face of exhausted, feel disgusting. I got a friend appearing here. And yeah, so that's my life. But nah, seriously, this has been a lot of work and hard work, and it's just, I cannot wait for it to be over now. IKEA. Good morning, everyone. It is now Monday morning. I was meant to finish the vlog last night, but I ended up falling asleep. I was so freaking tired after the weekend. Like, I'm still so tired and I have to get up and go to work, and I'm just not ready for this kind of day. I'm so tired, like, wow. But yeah, so basically just ended up going out for the day, picking up some last minute things. We ended up finishing our lounge room. We got to do the dining table, finish the dining table tonight. So yeah, it's just, I put away heaps of stuff yesterday too. But yeah, I was just heaps tired. Oh my god, I'm gonna yawn. But yeah, I thought I'd just quickly jump on here and finish the vlog since I didn't get a chance to yesterday because we went to IKEA and I don't know, I was just so busy yesterday and I didn't really get a chance to. My voice sounds heaps weird when I wake up in the morning as well. But yeah, so I just ended up watching Married at First Sight, and then like I was like on the lounge and then Lockie woke me up and was like, babe, you've fallen asleep, like go to bed. And so yeah, so now I've just woken up and I just wanted to jump on here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this type of video. I really do want to get into doing more vlogs this year. I've really had fun filming it. If you do like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already and you want to join my little family here, then don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video, then don't forget to hit that bell and I'll notify you every single time I upload. And again, thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.